Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and today we are going to review the account of Dan. Dan joined our funded trader program last 19th of October, and he hit his first 10% target on the 12th of November. So less than 1 month for him to hit his first 10%. Very well done, Dan. Very well done. Let's have a look at his equity line. He had a very good start, we can see here, and he brought his account to a plus 5% just in not even 10 days since he first started. Then something happened and he started to go a bit up and down, but still never went in negative territory. And then here from the 6th of November we can see how he registered a series of winning trades that basically led him to hit his first 10% target on the 12th. So very well done. And let's have a look at the statistics. So a daily return of 0.4%, which is really good. Monthly return, of course, we are talking of less than 1 month here of 10%, with a drawdown floating of just 3.71%. Very good. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So Dan took only 27 trade, 27 position with a profitability rate of 85%, which is very amazing, really good. Let's have a look at his average win and his average loss. Here we can see his average win is 25 pips and his average loss is 51 pips. So basically on average he tends to lose more than when than he used to win, but in terms of pips. But with such a high profitability rate, with such a high winning rate, of course, he can be extremely profitable. And in fact, we can see how he managed to hit his first 10% in less than 1 month. Let's have a look at his best trade and worst trade. So his best trade in terms of dollar was on the 9th of November. He gained $500, and his worst trade on the 28th, he lost $535. Pip-wise, we can see his best trade, same dates as for the dollar point of view. So his best trade, he gained 114 pips, and on his worst trade, he lost 119 pips. Let's have a look at the summary just to see on which pair he focused the most. He only took, we want to remember, 27 positions, and 15 of those were on the pound dollar. He gained 169 pips on this pair. With a profit of $683. We can see also here on the dollar Swiss franc, he gained 114 pips in just one trade, and he gained $500 on this pair. And actually we can see how his loss was registered only, maybe here on one of the 5 position he opened on the pound yen. Only one of those was negative position, but the 2 trades he had on the euro pound, he lost only 37 pips, resulting in $195. Okay, very good, done. So let's have a look also at the history to see better from when he first joined. So he was allowed to have an exposure of 0.5 cumulative. He went with a lot size of 0.4, 0.45, and he kept this lot size 0.45, and okay, very well done. This is when he hit his target on the 12th of November. So again, we want to remember less than 1 month for him to hit his first 10%. And we can see also here from the monthly analytics, for the month of October, he gained 3.42%, and the rest on November, he gained 6.36%. But of course, we are just at the middle of November, so we can see how things will move forward from now on. Let's have a look on the at his average trade length, 8 hours and 27 minutes. let's see the duration scatter plot. So yeah, we saw that from the profitability rate, and it's just confirmed here, just 1, 2, 3, 4 negative position out of the 27 he took, and majority of his trade we can see less than 18 hours, and just few more held for longer, maximum 1 day and 12 hours, and it was a positive trade. So very well done, Dan. And also for you, we look forward to do the second review of your account.